What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to add color effects into links into our WordPress website for free and without coding. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard to access on the browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus WP admin, enter with the login credentials and go to posts. Or go to pages, all up to you. Find a post that you have a link where you would like to change the color. In my case, it's gonna be this AI image library. Let me show you how the link looks like into the front end. Here is my link. Now, how to edit this? All I have to do is select the link, just like this. Then click into these three little dots called options. Then we have a couple of options right here. We have cut, copy, cut, duplicate, add before, add after, add note, copy styles, post styles, group, remove, edit as HTML. What would you like to do into this link right here? Click into this more option, the arrow down, and you have a couple of options. I would like that you to select highlight. And right here on highlight, we can change the color and the background. I recommend that you change the background to create a more interesting effect to your link. For example, like this. Let me show you the example. Here is how your link gonna looks like. But of course, we can play more with this in the case that you want. Go to highlight, change the background color, clear it up, and you can change the text color, just like this. Update. Here is the result you got. But of course, you can still play with the links. For example, selecting the entire content, you can make it bold to make it get more attention. Here is the result we got. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys later. All the best.